Welcome to Tale Crafter English, where every story weaves a path to your dreams. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're stepping into a journey that could rewrite your future. If you listen with your heart, this moment might be the one that changes everything. I'm here to share a truth that will light a fire inside you, a truth that can turn your doubts into determination. Let me ask you something real. Are you proud of your English right now? If you had to talk to someone from America, Australia, or England tomorrow, would you stand tall and speak with confidence? If your answer is no, then this is your wake-up call. Your English won't get better by wishing or waiting. It takes action, and that action begins today. You're not here by accident. You're here because you want more, a better life, a stronger voice, a brighter future. And I'm here to tell you, you can have it all, but only if you start now. Your life doesn't change by magic, my friend. It doesn't shift because of luck or chance. The English skills you dream of, the ones that open doors to new jobs, new friends, new worlds, come only when you decide to fight for them. Stop hiding behind excuses. You know the ones. I'm too shy to speak. I'm too old to learn. I don't have enough time. Or I'll start next week. Let's be honest. Excuses are just stories you tell yourself to avoid the hard work of growing. They're walls you build to keep yourself comfortable, but comfortable doesn't get you to fluency. Do you know why so many people never speak English well? It's not because they're not smart. It's not because they don't have the chance. It's because they don't act. They sit and complain about how hard it is, how they're afraid of making mistakes, how they're not good enough. But you're different. You're here, listening, ready to break free. You have the power to change your story, but you have to choose it. Right now. Think of someone like Malala Yousafzai. She was just a girl in a small village, facing danger every day, told she couldn't learn or speak out. But she didn't listen to the doubts. She studied, she spoke, she fought for her education. Today, she's a global voice, inspiring millions. Did she have it easy? No. Did she have all the resources? No. What she had was courage and commitment. She decided to act, and that changed her life. Now, let me ask you, what's stopping you? Is it fear? Is it doubt? Is it the voice in your head saying, I'm not good enough? Let me tell you something. That voice is lying. You're good enough. You are smart enough. You are capable of learning English and building the life you dream of. The only thing holding you back is you. So, let's make a promise today. Promise yourself that you'll stop doubting and start doing. Promise that you'll take one small step toward English every single day. Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. It's morning, and you wake up in a home filled with light and warmth. You feel confident, ready to speak English with ease. You walk into a meeting with people from New York, London, or Sydney, and you talk without fear. Your words flow and they listen impressed. You laugh with new friends from across the world, sharing stories, feeling connected. Your job grows. Maybe you get a promotion. Maybe you start a new career because your English opens doors. You travel to places you've only seen in movies, understanding every word, feeling free. Your parents, your siblings, your loved ones, they look at you with pride, knowing you've built a life they dreamed for you. Now open your eyes. Does this feel like a dream too big to reach? It's not. This life is yours to claim, but it starts with one thing, your commitment. You must decide to learn, to practice, to never give up. Your habits today are the bricks of your tomorrow. Every choice you make, every moment you spend learning or wasting, builds the future you'll live. Let's talk about habits, because this is where the real change happens. Be honest with yourself. How are you spending your time? If you're spending hours scrolling through TikTok, watching endless YouTube videos, or playing games, you're not just wasting time. You're stealing from your future. Every hour you spend on distractions is an hour you could have used to learn 5 new English words, practice a sentence, or listen to a story. Time is your most precious gift, and you can't get it back. Successful people know this. They don't let time slip away. While others are scrolling, they're studying. While others are complaining, they're practicing. While others are dreaming, they're doing. Think of Elon Musk. He didn't become a global innovator by watching TV all day. He read, he learned, he worked hard, even when it was tough. You don't need to be Elon Musk, but you can learn from him. Use your time wisely. Start small. Learn 3 words today. Speak 1 sentence. Listen to 1 story. Those small steps add up, and before you know it, you're speaking English with confidence. Now, think of your family. Think of your mother, who stayed up late to care for you, who sacrificed her own dreams to give you a chance. Think of your father, who worked long hours, who carried the weight of providing for you. They didn't work so hard for you to settle for less. They dreamed of a better life for you, a life where you're strong, successful, and proud. Don't you want to make them smile? Don't you want to show them that their sacrifices were worth it? Imagine the look on your mother's face when you tell her you got a better job because of your English. Picture the pride in your father's eyes when he hears you speak fluently, knowing you've made it. This isn't just about learning a language. It's about honoring the people who love you. It's about building a life that brings them peace and joy. And it starts with English. It starts with you saying, I will learn. I will grow. I will make them proud. Learning English isn't a walk in the park. It takes sacrifice. It means saying no to late-night Netflix when you could be studying. It means practicing even when you're tired, even when you make mistakes. It means choosing hard work over easy fun. But let me tell you, every sacrifice is worth it. Every moment you spend learning is a step toward your dream life. There's a story about a young man who wanted to master English. He went to his teacher and asked, How do I get fluent? The teacher took him to a lake and said, If you want English as badly as you want to live, you'll find a way. The man didn't understand, so the teacher pushed him into the water and held him down. When he finally let him up, gasping for air, the teacher said, That's how much you need to want it. How much do you want to speak English? Do you want it like you want air? If you do, nothing can stop you. You'll study, you'll practice, you'll keep going no matter what. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Look at your friends. Are they helping you grow, or are they holding you back? If they laugh at your efforts, if they spend all day gossiping or being lazy, they're not your path to success. Walk away. Find people who study, who dream big, who inspire you to be better. Your environment is everything. If you're around negative people, you'll feel negative. If you're around motivated people, you'll feel unstoppable. Think of it like a garden. If you plant weeds, you get chaos. If you plant flowers, you get beauty. Plant yourself in a place where you can bloom. And if you can't find those people yet, be your own inspiration. Read about heroes like Malala or Walt Disney, who was told he had no creativity but built a magical empire. Their stories remind you, you can do this. Believing in yourself is the heart of this journey. The world will try to pull you down. People will say, You're not smart enough. You'll never be fluent. Why even try? Don't listen. They're wrong. You are smart. You are capable. Every person who speaks English fluently started where you are now, nervous, unsure, making mistakes. But they kept going, and so will you. Failure isn't your enemy. It's your guide. Walt Disney was rejected, fired, told he'd never succeed. Did he stop?
No.
He worked harder, dreamed bigger, and changed the world. Every time you mispronounce a word, every time you forget a phrase, you're not failing, you're learning. Each mistake is a step closer to fluency. Embrace it. Learn from it. Keep moving forward. You're not defined by your mistakes. You're defined by what you do next. Take time for yourself every day. The world is loud. Social media, work, stress. It all screams for your attention. But when was the last time you sat quietly and asked, what do I really want? Find a quiet moment, even 5 minutes, and think. Ask, how will English change my life? What doors will it open? Then talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Say, I am strong. I am capable. I will master English. Your mind is like a sponge. It soaks up what you give it. If you feed it doubt, it grows fear. If you feed it confidence, it grows strength. Say this with me. I am unstoppable. I am the best. I can do anything. Write these words down. Put them on your wall, your phone, your mirror. Repeat them every morning. It might feel strange at first, but your mind believes what you tell it. Feed it power. Feed it belief. Feed it the truth that you are amazing. Visualize your dream life every day. Close your eyes and see it clearly. Picture yourself speaking English in a new job, confident and clear. See yourself traveling to London, ordering coffee, chatting with locals. Feel the joy of watching a movie without subtitles, laughing at every joke. Imagine standing in front of your family, telling them about your success, seeing their smiles. This isn't just a daydream, it's a map. If you can see it in your mind, you can make it real. But dreaming alone isn't enough. You have to act. Every great building starts with one brick. Every fluent speaker starts with one word. Learn 3 words today. Speak 1 sentence. Listen to 1 story. These small actions are the seeds of your success. Plant them daily, water them with effort, and watch your English grow. Your mind is your greatest tool, but you must control it. Negative thoughts will come. I'm not good enough. I'll never get this. What if I fail? When they do, stop them. Say, no. I'm in charge. I choose to believe in myself. Train your mind like a muscle. The more you focus on positivity, the stronger you get. Think of your brain as a radio. You pick the station. Tune out doubt and tune in confidence. You are incredible. Want to speak English like a native? You can. Want to study abroad, travel the world, or get your dream job? You can. The only person who can stop you is you. So get out of your own way. Stop saying, I can't, and start saying, I will. Stop waiting for the perfect moment and start now. You don't need permission. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. Start small, but dream big. Big goals can feel scary, like climbing a mountain. But every mountain is climbed 1 step at a time. Want to be fluent? Start with 5 words a day. Want to speak confidently? Practice 1 sentence in the mirror. Want to understand movies? Listen to 1 scene today. These tiny actions don't seem like much, but they're powerful. They add up. In a week, you've learned 35 words. In a month, you're speaking full sentences. In a year, you're having conversations. Small steps lead to big wins. And every step is a reason to be proud. Be your own cheerleader. Stand in front of your mirror and say, I'm doing this. I'm getting better every day. You don't need anyone else to believe in you. Believe in yourself. That's enough. Find inspiration everywhere. Read about people who beat the odds. Malala faced threats but never stopped learning. Walt Disney was called a failure but built a dream empire. Their stories aren't just tales, they're proof that you can do hard things. Listen to podcasts, watch videos, follow English learners who share their journeys. Surround yourself with positivity. Every night before you sleep, ask yourself, what did I do today to get closer to my goals? What can I do better tomorrow? Write it down. Track your progress. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Learned a new word? Celebrate. Spoke a sentence? Celebrate. Watched this video? Celebrate. Success is built on these moments. Keep going. Consistency is your superpower. Don't forget gratitude. It's your fuel. Every morning, write down 3 things you're thankful for. Maybe it's your family who love you. Maybe it's your health, giving you strength. Maybe it's this moment, this chance to learn. Gratitude changes how you see the world. It reminds you how far you've come and how much you have to fight for. When you're grateful, you're unstoppable. You see challenges as opportunities, mistakes as lessons, effort as progress. Take a moment now. Think of one thing you're grateful for. Hold it in your heart. Let it push you forward. This is your turning point. You're not here to live an average life, to speak average English, to settle for average dreams. You're here to shine. You're here to create something extraordinary. Dream big. Dream of the best job, the best adventures, the best version of you. People might laugh at your goals now, but they'll be watching and all later. Cut out the things that hold you back. Stop wasting hours on gossip, on apps, on things that don't matter. Replace them with actions that lift you up. Study a word, practice a phrase, listen to a story. Your life is a reflection of your choices. Every morning, you choose who you'll become. Choose growth over comfort. Choose discipline over laziness. Choose courage over fear. You're stronger than you know. When you feel like giving up, push one more step. When you think you've given your all, give a little more. Growth happens when you step outside your comfort zone. Try new words, even if you stumble. Speak, even if your voice shakes. Make mistakes, because they're your teachers. Time is moving. You don't have forever. Live like every day is a chance to get better. You're not your past mistakes, your old fears, or your current struggles. You're your next decision. You're your next action. Take responsibility for your future. No excuses. No blaming others. Just you, your effort, and your dreams. Let your success speak for itself. While others talk about what they'll do, you're doing it. While others doubt, you're learning. While others wait, you're growing. Every word you learn is a victory. Every sentence you speak is a triumph. Celebrate these wins. They're yours. Write down your plan today. What will you learn this week? What habits will you change? What goals will you chase? This is your life, your story, your chance. Don't waste it. The world is waiting for you to rise, to speak, to inspire. Start now. Work hard. Never give up. The road is tough, but you're tougher. I believe in you. Now go out there, change your English, and change your life. You are unstoppable.